Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope you all is fine. So viewers, you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy our videos like this. So friends, today we'll share with you the very beautiful crochet caps designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel Crochet Lovers. Make sure to follow, be sure to press the bell icon button. See very beautiful and amazing designs show to people in the like today video. Share it with you friends and family members. You can't many videos from my videos very guys, so I like keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily inshallah, because to let in the comment box how will like and subscribe you want to videos related to crochet. Visit my channel Crochet Lovers. You know that to the work yourself. If you guys can take a screenshot from our videos. Similar designs for the type of design is very popular in the country, and girls love such videos. Amazing very videos and lovely designs. Miss my every videos, so you guys don't miss our videos. I am very hopeful and grateful. Please let me in comment know if you're interested in my videos. I am very grateful. Take a people who are subscribed to my YouTube channel, all the designs. Thanks my dear. Take care. Allah Hafiz.